Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so what we've got for you today is one of the mystery pens. Yes. And which pen is it? I'm sure you people want to know, don't you? Well, again, for your regular viewers, my recent beginning of the week, the pen haul box pens, I showed you two pens, which I said, right, I'll show you another time, I'll tease you with, and this is one of them. As you can see, it comes in this lovely felt box, and if I turn it round there, it gives no indication of what it is, but a nice hard cased box. So without further ado, let's take a look at the mystery pen. Ta-da! Isn't it gorgeous? And I'm sure there's some people looking at it now and saying, yes, it's gorgeous, but what is it? Well, let's tell you exactly what it is. What we've got for you here is a Yada lead, the Viceroy model, and this is the standard plain patterned pen. Now this, believe it or not, is actually the original case, and I don't know if you can make out, but just to the back there, I don't know if it's had some sort of, is it water damage? I'm not too sure. I'm not sure if you can actually see it, but when I look up close, you can see just there, it does actually say Yard OLED. So it is actually the original box for this particular pen, but you can see, I don't know what it is, some kind of a damage there. Okay, but let's take a closer look. So you can just see it there. You can see the Y to the left. Okay, so as I say, the original case, it's a hard case with this lovely red velvet. Obviously, even though the case is a little bit tatty, it's helped to keep the pen in this gorgeous condition. Look at that beauty. As I said, doesn't need a lot said about it because it's simply a Yard OLED. And if we go straight up to the clip for you, there you have it. As they all do on this lovely sort of curved traditional Yard OLED clip, it has the word Yard OLED, and also if you look to the top there, the number 5970. Each pen has its own individual number, but all in all, a gorgeous pen. Now yes, this is a ballpoint pen. Ooh, I hear you say, but no, either way, the Yard OLEDs, whether it's a ballpoint, a pencil, if I ever get a fountain pen, we'll show you that as well, but either way, they all deserve a review because in my opinion, they are stunning pens, all handmade in Birmingham here in the UK. So as I said, we've got the Yard OLED Viceroy in standard plain silver. Now when I say silver, just below the clip there, just, I hope you can see it. Let's bring it a little bit closer. You can see we've got a hallmark. It's got a lion, and it looks like, is it the letter O in the hallmark there? Okay, and I've actually looked it up, and that indicates that the pen is dated 1988. Okay, so what is it? 38 years old. But as you can see, in gorgeous condition, in solid silver. Absolutely beautiful. And the size of the ballpoint, from the top to the bottom of the barrel there, 135 millimeters in length. Around the sort of the barrel, it's around about 8.6 millimeters in diameter. You can see down to the bottom it's got these 3 lines, as you can see there, which match the area near the cap, and I believe somewhere, does it say there? Yep, there we go. Made in England, lovely and clear, as you can see there, and these matching lines to the very top of the pen there. And as we've already shown you, they're very traditional and very, very noticeable. Okay, every time I see one of these clips, I can see it from a mile away, and I can say to myself, yep, that's a yard of lead. So it's very noticeable if you know what you're looking for. As I say, size wise, it's a lovely size. As a comparison, this is a Parker 75 Cicel ballpoint pen, and if you look there, I would say the yard of lead is slightly longer. Okay, if we put it like so, there you go. Yeah, it is slightly longer, as you can see there. Okay, this one is cap actuated, as you can see, like so. This particular one, it just needs a simple turn. There we go, and the refill comes out of the end, and if you turn it back again, it retracts back into the barrel. So a lovely system on how it works. And again, as I say, quite a sort of, if you like, a Victorian design, in my opinion. Maybe that's why the word Viceroy is used for this particular model. But it's got a refill in the pen itself. If I bring on a pad and we just twist the cap again for you, there you go, and that comes out. You can see the refill comes out, and then what we've got is a yard of lead. And as we've said, what this one is the how do we spell it? The Viceroy, and it's the standard plain solid silver ballpoint pen, as we've just read there, made by hand by Yard of Lead themselves, and it's made in England. And if you look in some of my videos, if you want to see how some of the pens were actually made, because a lot of them are made with different patterns. I did actually go to visit them one time. It was about 6 months ago, and they showed me around the factory. Very interesting, and it was a lovely day out. So if you're interested in that, go and have a look at that. The weight of it, I believe it's actually 29 grams. Okay, but as you can see, it's writing very nicely. Okay, so there's somebody out there who's looking for a pen to impress people with. So let's just turn it again for you. There you go, and it retracts back into the barrel. So if anybody's looking for a lovely ballpoint pen to impress in the office, this is the pen for you. Okay, a very sought after model, very popular model, and well, we're going to look for a new home for it, and I don't think this pen will be around. Well, I believe it's going to be found a new home very quickly, because they are superb, beautiful, handmade, solid silver pens, and made in England, in Birmingham, England, and they're all made by hand. Absolutely gorgeous, and as you saw earlier, comes with the original case. Stunning. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below, give the video a thumbs up if you will. Don't forget to subscribe as well. But I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini from me and this gorgeous ballpoint pen from Yard of Lead. Bye bye for now.